Ready.
Oh, yes! Booyah! Knew this was gonna happen. Awesome.
Wow.
Yes. I have a bigger TV than your guys in your room. Awesome. I knew you were gonna give me a TV. Where's your stocking?
Well, looks like I just saw it over here. It's so heavy. I guess he had to put it over here.
Sour straws. More sour straws.
Co to jest kolejny sobie, jo?
Mom!
Wow.
Awesome. Oh, this doesn't fit. Barely.
Uh-oh. Hickory Farms.
Mommy, looky!
Aww.
Dad, I got my animal hunt I wanted.
That's cool, baby.
Turn it over.
Oh.
Twizzlers!
Yay.
Reese's Christmas. You put that in there.
I did put that one in there.
Awesome. Dad, will you hook up my TV tonight?
Yeah.
Baby, let's look at while Daddy opens his stuff.
12 months of Oreo. You see this calendar? You've already seen it?
Yeah, I need to show you.
So you can have that in your office. Even though she loves me more, but she thought you would like a calendar of her. Huh, baby? Oreo. Oreo. What are you doing, Oreo? Huh? Baby, will you get their stockings from over there? Please?
I just knew Sam was going to give me a TV.
You did?
Yes.
Okay, puppies. Doggies.
Santa did not like the pepper.
I forget how incredibly cute she was when she was that little.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, Santa did not eat his pepper.
You didn't?
No.
Mhm.
And he didn't eat his last Oreo. But he drank all his milk.
He's got a lot of... Remember when she used to do that all the time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, you have stock in the street. You got presents from
Help
Santa
them.
Claus.
Help them.
Okay, guys, Oreo. Oh, Ozzy. No, Ozzy. What did you get, baby boy? Look what you got. Look what you got.
Yummies.
What else did you get? You got... no. Oh, Merry Christmas.
Oreo.
babies.
Oreo, come here.
Oreo,
This is
come
for
here.
you.
Oreo. Come here.
This is for you.
What did you get? What did you get?
Look, baby.
Oreo. Brr.
Yes, that's for you. That's a tweet.
Okay,
Well,
guys,
it's a
try to
toy.
open those presents.